Okay, mess can happen at many levels. The first one is that the deceased may have so much debts that the net amount left behind is very little. This is very true. With the credit card, with the debts that you discussed with Sunny yesterday, you can simply say that, okay, if I pass on now, what will happen to my assets? A lot of creditors will start to come and take your asset first before you can distribute to your family members. So that is why we think that, and you know, like one of the hadiths from Prophet Muhammad SAW mentioned that a Muslim soul is not settled, even if he has so many deeds, he has wakaf and so on, until he settles his debt. Okay, so that is very, very important. So that is why we think that in the event you have debts, right, you might want to take, of course we say here takaful lah, but in Singapore you just purchase insurance, the plan to address your debt level. In the event that you're no longer around, at least insurance will pay the debt, rather than you will leave very little of your net assets in your family. So that's the first thing. Everything is settled first. And then you need to understand, right? This is the stage before you go through all the distribution. A lot of people think that the distribution is actually straight away. If someone pass away, straight away faraid. No, it goes through many steps. First is, if let's say you have debts, then the creditors will have a claim on you. Okay, and secondly, you need to understand that if you want to take care of your family welfare and your children is still very young, minor, or you have a very old age parents and so on, and maybe special situation that you might have, yeah, this is where you need to understand that you can take the action and to avoid conflicts from happening in the event of your demise by actually doing planned giving. So when you do hibah or CPF nominations or insurance nomination, you will not go through faraid. You will actually go via this stage and will be distributed according to your nominations or according to your hibah. Yeah? Just go through with me the step first before we discuss about faraid. The third thing is that you need to remember, before any of your family members distribute your estate, no matter investment, savings from the bank and so on, you have if you have debts with Allah, okay, you need to settle that debts. Okay, so if you have unpaid zakat, we will cover zakat in the next in the last 1 hour, right? And then we have, if you have fidyah, maybe in your younger days you miss your fasting. Everyone do mistake, yeah. So you might want to pay figure. You might want to ask a qualified person. You can ask us also. We will calculate for you based on this guideline. Of course, we are in Singapore. Or you might want to ensure in your will writing that I have not performed Hajj. In the event that I pass on, please pay for my Hajj first. Someone must do for my Hajj, because if not, then it becomes a debt. Yeah. So this one must be deducted first before it goes to faraid. And then in the event that you have done will writing is a must. Everyone must do will writing. It's just that some of the will writing has the provision of 1/3. Okay? You can will for it up to 1/3. Okay? To wakaf, non-Muslim family members, charity, or even to your nephew, for example, or the people that you have taken care of you in your lifetime, very close to you. You want to compensate them, you want to give them, but now we don't have any means. You can always compensate them via the 1/3, as long as they are not your friend. Yeah? 1/3 is something that you need to be aware of. Yeah? Okay, and finally you have faraid, which is the last stage and last solution. As you can see, right? Faraid is a solution, but it's a last solution after you have done your building. Okay? So we are not against faraid, because faraid is a last solution, it's a last stage. It's not the first stage. I'm not very sure why a lot of people, when I communicate with them in my classes, right, when I give them giving, right, will I actually go against Allah's law? I said, no. Allah says you have to take care of your family members. If this is not achievable, you'll be answerable to Allah. I think that faraid is something that we have to decide when we reach to that stage. Before we reach to that stage, you have all the autonomy to plan, as long as you don't go against or you actually do injustice